ఇప్పుడు రామనారాయణం సృష్టికర్త నారాయణం నరసింహమూర్తి గారి ముని మనమరాలు 5th generation carrying the legacy of ధర్మ చలమాజీ గారు చిరంజీవి వేద పేర్లా.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Veda and I am from grade 6, studying in Silver Oaks International School. Today, I am standing in front of all of you to tell my understanding on the Ramayana story. So let us begin. Ramayanam, the battle of Dharma. The Ramayana is indeed rich in wit and wisdom. It teaches us important life lessons such as duty, honesty, loyalty, and selflessness. For instance, Lord Rama's unwavering commitment to Dharma, even in the face of personal hardship, is a powerful example of wisdom in action. Characters in the Ramayana often use clever strategies to solve problems. For example, Hanuman's intelligence in finding Sita in Lanka or Rama's strategic planning in building a bridge to Lanka shows the highlights of use in wit and wisdom. The Ramayana often presents complex moral dilemmas that test the wisdom of its characters. For example, Rama's decision to exile Sita despite knowing her purity shows the depth of his commitment to Dharma even when it involves personal sacrifice. To explain the true feelings of relationship between Rama, Sita and Lakshmana, you can focus on their love, loyalty and support for each other. 1. Rama and Sita's love. Rama and Sita share a deep loving bond between them. They are not just husband and wife, but they're best friends. Rama always protects Sita and Sita completely trusts Rama. Their love is pure and shows how important it is to care for and respect each other in a relationship. Lakshmana's loyalty to Rama. Lakshmana, Rama's younger brother, loves and respects him a lot. He stays with Rama and Sita through thick and thin, and even when they are in the forest. Lakshmana shows that true love means standing by someone no matter how difficult the journey is. Sita's trust in Rama. Even when Sita faces challenges like being kidnapped by a demon king Ravana, she never doubted Ram's love to her, with her. But instead, she trusted Rama and knows that he is going to rescue her. This shows how trust is an important part of any relationship and it can involve family members, siblings, friends, etc. Support for each other. Throughout the Ramayana, Rama, Sita and Lakshmana always supported each other. Lakshmana helped Rama in every battle and Sita stayed with Rama through all the tough times. Their love for each other is not just about feelings, but it is about being there for one another when needed. Now, they all faced many struggles throughout the whole Treta Yuga, but still had faith in one another. Before we dive deeper into this topic, let us get a small brief on their love, respect, and affection towards each other. In the first, Kaikeyi asks Dasharatha if Bharata could be the king of their kingdom, though Rama was the rightful king. To make Bharata the king, Kaikeyi asked Dasharatha to send Rama to the forest for 14 years. Because of the one wish given by Dasharatha to Kaikeyi, he was forced to send Rama instead of making him the king. But Rama, on the other hand, didn't feel sad or didn't feel that it was a big deal to go to the forest for 14 years. Instead, he felt happy for Bharata because he was becoming a king. Then he goes and tells Lakshmana. Lakshmana immediately tells Rama that he is supposed to be the king and there was nothing wrong in him that other people can point out saying that this is why you're not supposed to be a king. But he tells Lakshmana that he is leaving this second because he was given this order by his father and cannot say no to this. Lakshmana, with no hope, trying to convince Rama to stay, he says that, Rama, if you are going, then I will come with you. But Rama replies, saying that you should stay back, taking care of our parents. Lakshmana, trying to come with Rama, he gives an example of his life, saying, A fish can live for 1 minute, 1 whole minute without water, but I can't live without you for at least 1 second. And he knows that Sita Devi would definitely come with Rama. So he asks him a question. Then why are you letting Sita Devi come with you and not me? Is this because you like her more than me? And I have learned all these abilities of archery not because I want to be proud of it. It's because I want to stay with you and have the opportunity to protect you. Rama, with joy and having no answer left, he allows Lakshmana to come with him to the forest. In the end, we should also know that Bharata also never wanted this to happen, and he himself wanted to see Rama in the throne. But unfortunately, all this happened. So Rama says, Bharata, this is your call, and you should take this opportunity, and I will come back in 1 second as soon as the 14 years is over. Hearing this, Bharata says, Rama, you should come back on time, and if you come 1 second late, I will sacrifice myself by going into the fire. This is what we should learn about. The true relationship makes me incredibly inspired. Now, why don't we learn about how they all had struggles but still had faith in one another, starting with Rama's struggles. Rama's struggles, exile. He was sent to live in a forest for 14 years, even though he was the rightful king. He had to leave his kingdom and family behind. But though it all, he stayed calm and never gave up on what he was doing right. Rescuing Sita. When Sita was kidnapped by Ravana, Rama faced many battles and hardships to bring her back. Even though it was a tough journey, he never lost hope, knowing he had to keep a promise to save her. Sita's struggles. Living in a forest. She also had to leave her comfort life in the palace and live in the forest with Rama and Lakshmana. Despite all the hardships, she remained strong and supportive of her husband. Kidnapped by Ravana, Sita was taken away to Lanka and kept in prison. But she never lost faith in Rama. She trusted that he would come and rescue her even when she was all alone. Now let's go on with Lakshmana's struggles. Lakshmana had to live with, serving Rama. Lakshmana left his own life behind to follow Rama into the forest. He faced many challenges too, but he always stayed by Rama's side, ready to help him whenever needed. Protecting Sita. Lakshmana was also devoted to Sita. When he had to leave her for a short time, he warned her not to let anyone in the house. When Ravana tricked her, Lakshmana was heartbroken but remained loyal to his family. Faith in each other. Despite all their struggles, Rama, Sita, and Lakshmana always had faith in each other. Rama trusted Sita's purity even when others doubted her. Sita never lost faith in Rama and believed he would come and rescue her. And Lakshmana always supported Rama no matter what challenges came their way. Now, we have about, in the end, their love, trust, and faith in one another helped them overcome all their difficulties they faced, showing that no matter how hard life gets, supporting and believing in each other is the key to overcoming struggles, and we should be just like them. Now, one of the most important gods of Hindu religion, Hanuman. Hanuman's father's name is Kesari and mother's name is Anjana. Hanuman has many names like Bajrangabali, Pavanputra, and many more. They read Hanuman Chalisa to take blessings from him. He is the symbol of strength and energy. Though Hanuman is a great god, he was always binded towards Ram's wisdom and advices, which made him feel that he was never better than Rama. Indeed, he never felt that he was better than anyone because of his great knowledge and proper understanding of his values. And now, he is a great person and a great inspiration for all. One day, Hanuman teared his chest open and everyone was stunned to see that Lord Rama and Sita Devi were literally in his heart, and he showed the loyalty towards the work he did for them. Last but not the least, in this story, Ravana is the villain because of doing a foolish mistake, which was kidnapping Sita Devi. And everyone often say, Ravana is a horrible person for doing that. But in reality, he was actually a very intelligent person, but became a villain and got that name tag forever because of that one act. This story also tells us about one thing which we should always remember and follow, which is think before acting. This is such an inspirational story that teaches us how to become a better person and many more. If we keep on writing about this story, the morals, wit and wisdom will never end. People often build mansions or houses or etc. But to remember someone like Hanuman, Rama, Sita or Lakshmana, my great-grandfather built a huge temple here in Vijayanagaram, and it was his dream to build it. And now every day lakhs of people come here to worship and pray. One last thing I wanted to say. Thank you for Nanamma, Nityaka, Srinitata for encouraging me and giving me the confidence that I can do this. And Nityaka, I have been inspired and learnt a lot from you, seeing you standing here and hosting this huge and wonderful event. Thank you.
Jai Shri Ram. Excellent words by Veda, isn't it? Yeah, grand applause. So వేదాన్ని సత్కరించవలసిందిగా నారాయణం కుటుంబ సభ్యులు నవీన్ గారిని, మురళి గారిని, శ్రీనివాస్ గారిని, రమాదేవి గారిని, రమ్యశ్రీ గారిని, రామయ్య గారిని అందరినీ వేదికను అలంకరించవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాం. Megha also, please join. Fifth generation carrying the legacy of Dharma Chalamaji Garu. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram.